I deposited $500 into my Forex brokerage account and generated over 8,000% in profit in less than 2 years with the revolutionary Forex system. Completely hands-free automated Forex trading system that you can have full and instant access to in just a few moments. Imagine for a second that you were destined for greatness. I'm talking about becoming a pro athlete, a world-renowned surgeon, or a high-profile defense attorney, a job that will let you live like a king with no debt and allow you to purchase anything you ever wanted. But then at the flip of a switch, it all was destroyed and taken away from you. Perhaps an injury that ended your sports career before it even started, a malpractice suit that you couldn't recover from, or a high-profile client being found guilty of a crime they did not commit. Whatever the reason be, it's clear in life that you can't always depend on your boss, a job, or anyone else to provide you with wealth and freedom you desire. You have to be creative and find ways on your own that can provide you with the lifestyle you thought was only a dream. But soon your problems and worries can be in the past because I have a solution for you. One that's incredibly easy, just in case shit hits the fan or you get tired of dealing with your boss. Let me ask you a question. Does any of these apply to you? Have you built up too much debt? Having trouble paying your bills? Unable to afford a vacation in years? Have a boss you hate? Have an injury or health issue that ended a promising career for you? If anything like this has happened to you or you fear may happen to you, isn't it a good idea to have a backup plan? That's what I want to share with you today. The exact solution I used that saved me from a huge unpredictable tragedy in my life. And this solution ended up providing me with more financial freedom than I could ever need for a lifetime. I invested in Forex trading, one of the best decisions I've ever made. In a few moments, I'm going to tell you my story of how an injury ended my career and what I did to overcome it and become wildly successful. But first, I need to tell you about how I found my way to where I am today. Growing up, my father always taught me to invest in assets and not liabilities. What he meant by that was, if you're going to buy something, make sure it will make you money. Let me give you a few examples. Here are some assets: real estate, stocks, bonds, currency. And here are some liabilities: cars, electronics, credit card debt, college loans. As you guessed it, assets generate wealth and income. They make you money when you sleep, while you work, while you're having fun. On the other hand, liabilities do the exact opposite. Liabilities eat away at your income and can create more debt. We do not want this. More importantly, we want to build up assets. I learned this from a very young age. For me, I found my calling in currency trading. I found that in Forex, I'm able to create more money with my money, and it doesn't require me to trade my time for my money. How did I create money with money in Forex trading? My incredible thirst for knowledge and strategy testing helped me achieve some massive accumulation of money. Here's the best part. I took my exact strategy and turned it into a completely automated trading robot, and I named it Forex-Venture Bot. From manual trading, experimenting, and perfecting my skills, I developed a sound strategy that has been helping me literally extract wealth from the Forex markets. After a while, though, it gets boring and tiring to keep staring at charts all day, especially when you have a life, friends, hobbies, and sports you love to play. So because of this, I did what I do best. I researched the best possible solutions and discovered the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is provided free by most Forex brokers. With MetaTrader 4, you can run completely automated Forex robots. And that's exactly what I did. I hired a team of developers, some of the most brilliant guys I know, and they work with me to turn my strategy into an amazing system that does every little aspect of trading for me. And again, it's completely automated. That means I was able to free up my time to focus on college. Yes, I started investing early, sports, ladies, and just to enjoy my life. Forex-Venture Bot was running for me around the clock while I was in college, and still does to this day. Forex-Venture Bot is making me money so that I can constantly and easily withdraw the cash I need to fund my lifestyle. Here's one of my trading accounts. So how exactly does Forex-Venture Bot work? Before we talk about that, let me tell you a little bit more about myself and how this bot literally saved me. Because if you're in a tough spot, this might be able to save you too. My name is Blake Thompson, and it's great to meet you. You're probably on this page because you've had a similar experience to what I went through, but you shouldn't give up faith. There's always a backup plan. There's always a solution to every problem. And I'm certain Forex-Venture Bot can be your solution just like it was for me. I was literally on my way to becoming a pro football player. I had a full scholarship to a Division I college, and I had the potential to go to the NFL. My career was lined up and I was ready to make millions with a nice big NFL contract and not have to worry about money ever again. Everything was going amazing in my life. And then suddenly, just like that, in one day, everything changed. In one of my last games of the season, I was tackled hard, and it didn't go well. In fact, I felt an unusual sharp pain in my leg, and next thing I knew, I was laying on the ground. At that moment, I knew something wasn't right. Apparently, I had torn my ACL and MCL badly. Basically, not good. Needless to say, that ended my career. At this point, I had no choice but to change directions in life quick. How was I supposed to achieve the kind of liberating wealth that an NFL career could have done for me? Other than working a normal job in law, banking, or medicine, my options were limited to investing and business. I'm far from capable of doing such common careers, so my only choice was to invest. A business is great, but I'm not patient or talented enough to make that happen. So as my father stated, build up assets, and that's what I did. From the time I had left in college, I studied everything I could about investing and finance. And that's where I found my way to currency trading, Forex. Immediately, I knew this was the answer. With trillions of dollars being traded each day, and with the markets open 24 hours a day, this was a gold mine waiting for me to tap into. A chance for me to create wealth for myself that I had envisioned for myself. I knew that I could snag just a small slice for myself of that multi-trillion-dollar pie. I just needed to figure out how. The thing about trading Forex or any other investment is that people think it's incredibly risky, complicated, and that you must have a secret strategy in order to keep making those winning trades. But the truth is, this is actually wrong. In fact, it's completely false, and my results prove it. It's not entirely about having a sophisticated strategy, but rather everything that comes with a strategy that makes you a consistent flow of money. It's about utilizing safe money management, safe trade management, and using principles that have worked since the beginning of trading history. Now, I can't reveal my entire strategy behind Forex-Venture Bot, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret. A little bit about how it trades and works so you can understand why it wins trades the way it does. Forex-Venture Bot is a reversal trend trader. It uses a bundle of reliable indications to determine when the trend is losing momentum, dying down, and on the verge of a redirection or reversal. It then verifies these possible trade opportunities with price action. Utilizing price action, Forex-Venture Bot is able to increase certainty of a trend reversal approaching. From there, the system will enter a trade. Check this out for an idea of how it enters and exits a trade for profit. A working strategy is important, and as you've seen, Forex-Venture Bot has a strong foundation for trade entry and exit. Part of the reason it's able to do so well is not just because of its entry signals, but because of how it manages risk and how it manages the trades. Forex-Venture Bot avoids unsafe trading methods, no grid, and no martingale. It also is FIFO compliant and does not hedge. Forex-Venture Bot employs broker defenses by concealing TP and SL from the broker. This protects you from broker manipulation of closing trades. Built in is a safe risk to reward that aims to achieve highly profitable results while utilizing sophisticated exit points to protect you from trades going bad. Not only is managing the trade important, but the actual risk taken for each trade. With the built-in risk management system, simply select the risk percent you are comfortable with and the system will select appropriate lot sizes for you and increase them as your account grows larger. So, here I found myself towards the end of college with a bum knee and a failed football career, searching for answers to infinite wealth before I graduated, and I'm forced to get a job and slave away for many years to come. And then all of a sudden, I start winning and winning big. Trade after trade with consistency, I just keep making money in Forex. And then I finally found my answer. I had figured out how to be a consistent and successful Forex trader. After unshackling myself from the computer and turning the Forex-Venture Bot strategy into a fully automated system, things started to really pick up. From there, I created multiple accounts and had money pouring in like it was water. I was seeing trades all the time like these. Since this life-changing and stressful period in my life, I finally had come out on top, and to this day, things have never been better. In fact, I'm grateful for how things turned out. Money is no longer a worry of mine. I don't have to worry about getting a job, and I can finally enjoy my life on my own terms. I've decided to share my system with you. I know. You're thinking, if I'm doing so great, why don't I keep my system for myself and not share it with anyone? That's a good idea. A few close friends of mine have asked me that exact question, but I have a few important reasons why I'm sharing my system with you today. Reason 1. Some people are concerned that if you start giving away copies of your trading system, then it'll stop working. This doesn't apply to all systems, just certain types of trading styles. And my system's trading style can handle a decent quantity of traders and still trade flawlessly. Reason 2. EAs that use risky strategies such as scalping can fail if many people are using them at the same time, since brokers will be fighting for the traders. The good news is that my system is not a scalper and trades in a specific way that the brokers cannot use against you. But more on that soon. Reason 3. I want to make a difference in people's lives. I also want to get my name out there in the world by creating a legacy. As far as I see it, this is the only way I can do it. Since this is the only thing I'm good at anymore, pro football is out of the question, and I've never had the desire to be a coach. Therefore, if I share my best money-making Forex system with you, then I'll be able to build a reputation for myself. Then from there, hopefully I can move up the ladder of fame and notoriety. One day, I want to be recognized for my trading skills, just like some of the other top traders in the world that I look up to and idolize. This is my first step towards making that happen. Success just isn't as much fun if you can't share with others. Reason 4. I know that I can help you change your life for the better, and by helping you, I hope that I can make a positive impact on the world. In return, hopefully you will also be able to help someone turn things around. Pay it forward. But at the same time, I'm first and foremost a businessman and investor. I worked hard to create this system, and this skill is rare. My system is valuable, and with that said, it will be silly for me to give it away for free. Those funds will be pumped right back into my business as capital to be used for the further updating and development of Forex-Venture Bot. And of course, those updates are free for you if you subscribe. It does not matter who you are or where you come from. Anyone can profit with Forex-Venture Bot. All you have to do is this. Simply install my system by clicking a few buttons. Then you'll have my system trading, working for you on autopilot 24 hours a day, making you money. Wouldn't that be nice? I know, I'm happy. And that's why I turned my winning strategy into the automated system it is today, Forex-Venture Bot. If it only takes you a few minutes to set up and it's completely automated, then anyone can use it. It really is that easy. You don't need to be a computer expert, and you don't need to be a trader to have Forex-Venture Bot work for you. In fact, even my grandmother uses my system, and she doesn't even know how to text. Throughout my time trading, I've had the opportunity to learn some of the secrets about the Forex markets. Essentially, these secrets really help you beat the market while protecting you from being thrown around like a little guy. Over the years, I've found out that some brokers will try to manipulate your trades. I've also uncovered some repetitive patterns in the market that just keep happening over and over again. This is why I have added 2 bonus features to Forex-Venture Bot that will give you the upper hand. Here they are. Feature 1, Stealth Trading Technology. This technology uses a hard stop loss that isn't really used. It's just for protection, but in reality, the stop loss and take profit are handled internally with an impressively safe risk to reward ratio. Simply stated, this means that the broker is unable to see your stops. Since they need to see your stops in order to alter your trade to their benefit, you are instantly protected from their unethical manipulation. Feature 2, Unique Trend Detection System. Now, I can't reveal the exact process, although I can tell you that I've discovered a common pattern in the market that has allowed me to predict which way the market is trending with great accuracy. So as a result, I'm able to time the reversals. This is one of the components that gives Forex-Venture Bot the upper hand. Don't forget, you don't need to know how to operate any of this. It's all automated and plug and play. No need to set anything. It's ready to go. In a few moments, you're going to be able to sign up and enter the Forex-Venture Bot members area so that you can download your very own lifetime copy of my software. And when you join, here's exactly what you get. 1. A lifetime license to Forex-Venture Bot. With your license, you get full access to download the Forex-Venture Bot trading software that trades on euros and US dollars, which includes the easy-to-install software and manual. It can be installed on any computer or VPS and can be switched from one account to another at any time. 2. Exact settings from my live account. The exact settings I have been using to achieve the results you have seen from my trading account will be built in and preset for you. No adjustments are needed. Simply make any changes to the risk setting or set your own specific lot size and the software will do the rest. 3. Free updates and optimizations. I don't always just spend time playing. I still love to work and I enjoy it very much. I'm on a constant search for improvements for my software, whether it be adding new features or optimizing the built-in settings. I want to make Forex-Venture Bot even better. Of course, any improvements or changes I do that improve the Forex-Venture Bot are provided to you absolutely free. They are placed in the members area and you are notified by email. 4. Reliable and available 24/7 customer support. I always have my laptop and cell phone with me and the internet ready to go. If I'm not on my laptop, I'm checking the markets and my email from my phone. When you need help, I do my best to respond as fast as I can. And just in case, I have my trusted assistant to help me and to help you as well. If for any reason you have an issue with my system, you change your mind, are unhappy, or decide Forex isn't for you, then send me your receipt and I'll gladly refund you right away. There are no conditions attached to that. I personally make sure any and all refund requests are honored so you can feel comfortable in working with my software, testing it out, and seeing if it's a good fit for you. So no pressure, no buyer's remorse. Now, how many other companies do you know who stand behind their products with such confidence and integrity? Not many. It was a tough decision deciding on the price for Forex-Venture Bot. It's a truly remarkable system that pays dividends as it pays for itself and rewards its users handsomely. Because of this, the system is essentially priceless. It's invaluable and thus can easily be priced and sold for $997. In fact, I've won many trades that have banked me over $997 in a matter of hours. Despite Forex-Venture Bot being easily valued over $997, I'm going to let you have it for a whole lot less. Get instant and complete access to Forex-Venture Bot today for only $297. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page and click the Buy Now link to get started. I am significantly discounting the Forex-Venture Bot software, but realistically, I can only manage to take on a certain amount of traders to assist and feel truly comfortable using my software with. So instead of putting out a set quantity that I will sell, I've decided it's best to raise the price for every 100 copies I sell. What that means is every time I reach 100 copies sold, I will raise the price and the counter will reset. Eventually, the $997 regular price will be the official price again. So please take action now. Lock in your copy at the deeply discounted and affordable price of $297 before it's too late, and you have to pay a whole lot more. And don't forget, there's a no obligation and unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. There is absolutely no risk for you to try out Forex-Venture Bot and see exactly what it can do for you. Just click the button at the bottom of this page and get access instantly to the Forex-Venture Bot software and members area.